The rule of law is indivisible. You cannot invoke it to restrain one institution or violating it to entrench another. You cannot demand that soldiers respect the constitution while the politicians themselves are rewriting it in the dark. You cannot tell the army to wait for the outcome of a political process that is itself constitutionally contested. A process whose legality is still an open question, defined by the court, not on the merits but on procedure. Sanabena Mashukwe response, the PO Pangwa directed to the National Army Lieutenant General Ashawood of Mane, that was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The general is right. The army must not intervene in politics, but the corollary is equally true. The politicians must not place the army in a position where its constitutional oath is tested beyond endurance. The greatest threat to military subordination to civilian authority is not a restless barracks. It is a civilian authority that has abandoned constitutional fidelity and expects the military to simply comply. A lawful government commands lawful obedience. A government that breaks the law places every soldier in a moral and legal dilemma, torn between the duty to obey orders and the duty to uphold the supreme law. The general's statement is a reminder of the constitutional order as it should be, but that order is a chain, and every link must hold. If the political link grows, if the constitution is amended without the people's consent, if term limits are extended in defiance of express prohibitions, the military link is placed under strain. No professional army from politics is not to lecture the army. It is to protect the constitution from the politicians. A lawful process produces a lawful outcome. A lawful outcome commands lawful obedience, but a process whose constitutionality remains unresolved, deferred by the courts, contested by the people, rejection in every verifiable forum, produces uncertainty, and uncertainty is the enemy of the military discipline. Doma developments are good upon going. Pena comment section videos of good aim or good on server cheat page. So subscribe or like, or turn on the bell icon.